Today's video demonstrates flip cup pouring technique, one of the easiest to start if you are a fluid art or a pouring art beginner. Hi everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and thank you so much for joining me today on my Fluid Art channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing this one right behind me. It is a flip cup and it is the first of the series that I'm going to be introducing. The series is using the same colors but different techniques. And so this will be the first one. It's a flip cup, and then this one will be the next one, and so on and so forth down my wall. And then I also have a few more. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 videos in this series using the same colors but just different techniques. All right, well, thank you for joining me, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell so that way you can get notified when I get a new video up. All right, well, enough of me talking. Let's get you down on the canvas. Bye for now. Talk to you soon. Bye. So what I'm doing here is I'm actually going to be layering all 4 cups of my first 4 in the series, and I'm layering them in different ways. So the first one, I start with the silver and I layer all the way down to the dark silver, which is a pewter, and then I go backwards, and then I do it in reverse again with a 3rd cup, and then reverse again with the 4th cup. So again, I'm layering all 4 of the cups for the first 4 in the series using the 4 different techniques of flip cup, wrecker ring pour, and a dirty pour. Okay, so we're gonna do a flip cup, and this is the cup that I'm choosing for this one. These are the colors, the layers. And I'm just gonna put the cup down and then put the canvas on top of it. That way it's easier for me to flip it over. So I just put my hand there, and then I just flip the entire thing with the cup on top. And now I'm just gonna let the paint settle down to the bottom. Just wait for a few minutes. Now the cup was pretty full, so I don't have to wait too long for it. But let's get started. So I'm just gonna pull it straight up, and now I'm just kind of putting a little bit of the excess paint over the corners to help with that. And I'm torching it just to get some air bubbles, as well as to maybe see if some cells pop up. And then I'm just gonna stretch the paint. Always try to go back to the center as best you can to see the weight of the paint going there first. Then as you tilt to the sides and to the corners, making sure that each corner is covered as well as the sides too. And if you need to, you can always scrape the paint from the bottom of where it's stripped off and then put it also on the sides and on the corners, or utilize your fingers as well. I really love this, and I love all of the ones in this series with the colors that I've chosen. And stay tuned if you're interested in seeing the colors that I used in the series. See you soon. Bye for now. Payne's Gray. No, that's not Payne's Gray. This is Payne's Gray. This is a combination of a bright blue and metallic black to make it like this navy, really super dark blue. I have that. And we have a teal color, and I'll put all of the actual colors. Actually, I'll grab them here. So that is this basic Aqua. I better put my glasses on or I'm not gonna be able to see the actual colors. Yeah, it's bright Aqua. Then this one right here is metallic blue. And that's this one right here. Let's see, where did it go? It's metallic blue right here. And then this one right here is cobalt blue metallic. And it's making a mound. So it's not thick, but it's not thin. And that cobalt blue is this right there. Then this one right here is lake blue. Again, making the mound. Then this one right here is, oh, so the one that I said the metallic blue is not, it's this turquoise green. That's that one. This is the metallic blue. So I was incorrect on that one. Then we've got gold, and that's the Acrylic Master's Touch gold. This is Payne's Gray, and it's also Master Touch. This one's right here is Artist Loft Silver. That one's right here. And then this one right here was a metallic, it's called Satin Finish, let's see, metallic paints, but it's a pewter, so it's a darker silver. And I went ahead, since I hardly had any left, I just went ahead and just put it inside of that. And then this right here is a mixture of the liquid acrylic white, titanium white, but I put in there this opal glitter medium gel, so that's in there. And then I did put this shift in this one here too. So this basic green, I put this shift color. It's kind of cool, it makes like that. So those are the colors that I've chosen today. And we'll get started here in just a few minutes. I'm gonna pack this stuff up really fast and get going.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.